Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn on comments on your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you might leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, follow my channel. Okay, so how to do? You need to go to the YouTube studio. Okay, and now you need to go to the content. Okay, and you choose a video on which you need to turn off your comments. It may be select all or some of them, you may choose. And later you click on edit. Okay, and now on the comments. Okay, as you can see here you have option like allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, increase strictness, hold all comments for review, disable comments. Okay, we click on the allow all comments and you click on the update videos. And after a few minutes you will have it actualized. Okay, and second option to the future videos, how to have disable. You need to go to the settings. Okay, and in community and defaults. And here you have option, as you can see, in the future videos, allow all comments, but potentially inappropriate, okay, and others. And also here you have messages in your live chat. It is in the future and you may set and you click on the save and you did it. Okay, so that's all in this video, so thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe for help, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time. Thanks.